all doing?
YouTube, what's going on? It's your boy Carlitos. Hope you're all doing well and staying safe. I've got my boy here, Caleb, in the chair. So what I thought we'd do is I'll do a tutorial for a haircut for parents or anybody that's in quarantine at the minute and can't get to any shops. I've done a really basic haircut to try at home for you guys. Or mum, dad, you want to cut your kids hair? Here you go, this is it. I've done two different techniques on each side of the haircut. I'll go through it as we go. We're going to start off this haircut by sectioning the sides, so pretty much just getting the top out of the way, just so they don't cut it. So just section as I am, just roughly, it doesn't have to be perfect, just line across on each side and from the back as well. I'm going to spin the chair around and show you guys. Also just wanted to say thank you for you guys that are coming through watching my videos, and if you're new to this channel and you haven't subscribed yet, please don't forget to hit that subscribe button. So we're going to do a number 4 around the sides. So I've put my number 4 guard on and look at that, just to halfway and then flick out. I'm sure everybody has a comb, so if you have a comb, just watch. So once you try it, just push the hair underneath the clipper, just like that, just to feed it in so it starts cutting, and then once you get to that line, flick out. And then you repeat this whole process all around the head. Once you get to that line, flick out, but the rest it's fine. You can keep the clipper guard on the head and just go back and forth just to clean up the whole area and make sure there's no hair. So this process that I'm going to be showing you guys on both sides pretty much applies to any number. So you don't have to do a number 4. If you want to do a number 3 or a number 2, or even go short of number 1 on the side, we can do the same thing. I'm going to fade one side with the clipper guards only, so to show you how to get rid of the lines, and then on the other side if you want to do clipper over comb, but I've made it a bit easier for you guys. But yeah, so just pick a guard number, how short you want to go, and then just set up a guard line all around the head. Just wanted to mention also, guys, this video is like honestly the basic of all basics, okay? This is for like literally non-barbers, like parents, grandparents, uncles, anyone that wants to cut their kids' hair, or somebody that's just literally just starting out and wanting to give a haircut a go. So yeah, just wanted to clear that up. The next step I'm going to show you guys is the side that I'm going to do the guards with. So now I've put my number 5 guard on, and then I'll have it closed all the way. See that? So we're going to go right up. Once you get to the top, you can go straight up, almost like a flick out. Don't go digging into the hair, just go straight up like you're hitting the ceiling, okay? And you'll just see that line will start softening it up. So if you want to use this technique, you do the same thing, go around the head and just flick out the whole thing. Just make sure you don't dig in. Once you get to that line, flick out. Once you've done it, you come back, see that's still number 5 on. So you're going to go open and then do the same process. You can go a little bit higher, but still using the same method, just flicking out. And then you do the same thing, you go around the whole head. But this time I'm just doing this side because I'm going to do clipper comb on the other side. Same applies for any number you use. So if you use a number 2, you come back with a 3. Okay, you come back with a 3, and then once you've done the 3, then open, and then you go to a 4 open, and then go straight up. 4.5, like 4 open should kind of blend in. See, that side is done with clippers. Now this side, I'm going to come back with a clipper over comb. So usually barbers, if you experience stuff, we wouldn't use any guides on the clipper, but for you guys, just to make it easier, so you know how we set up the number 4, right? To set the first guard line, you always minus 2 guards. So whatever -2, you put that guard on. So we set up for -2, that's what number 2 guard on. 2, and then just to be safe, have it open to start off with. And that's what you do. Right, you go up and boom. Almost like in 3 goes. You go up 1, 2, and then higher. And just keep on going across until you soften that line up. Just by having that number 2 guard on, it just makes it safer for you guys so you don't put sharp lines on. So the -2 rule applies right up to a number 2 on the side. Once you go any lower, you gotta fade it using the guard. So if you went 1, you gotta put the 1.5 open and then put 2. Hopefully that makes sense. And now that that's done, I'm gonna come back just at the bottom with my 2 guard open, just to soften it up. See, run right there and go around the head. Just so when you come to line it up, it just blends in a bit nicer. So just there and then flick out. Hopefully this is making sense. If it doesn't, just leave a comment and then I'll make sure I reply, and just so it makes it easier for you guys when you're actually doing the haircut. Also, don't forget to subscribe, guys. I'll be posting at least 1 video a week, so hit that subscribe button. Just come back here now with the trimmer, just any trimmer you have. Just wanted to like keep it natural for Caleb, so I just went around and did the same thing on the other side as well, just around the head. Here you go, guys. The sides are pretty much done. This side was done by guards, and look at that, nice and tidy. And the other side was done by clipper over comb. Alright, so next step was what I did is I cut the top. So what you do, you kind of wet it first. What happened here, guys, is I wanted to show you guys what like a calic is. So can you see that little round thing at the top of his head? That's where the hair grows there. So the way it grows, that's the way you kind of let the hair sit, okay? So where I've pushed it forward from the top is where we're gonna cut. What happened is when I put my phone back down, I thought I had pressed record, but I didn't. So we didn't get the scissors part, but after shower, Caleb had a shower and all, put him back on the chair, and I just wanted to show you guys how I did it. So imagine, make sure the hair is wet, so it's not wet hair, but where the cowlick was, you push it forward. From there, all you do, you set a section. So just get a line across, boom, and then push all the hair forward. The easiest way to do it, guys, without getting lost. And then start from one side, pull it right up, and then however much you want to cut off, you do that, and then go ahead and cut it. Keep holding that, and then bring your comb right next to it. Once you pick it up, and then you let go of the other side and pick up that one. And you do 3 goes, so 1 on the side, middle, and then across again. And then I'd say about maybe 3 to 4 sections from the top. So you do the same again, just in front of it, put another line, and then go again, up, 2, and then 3 across. And then you repeat again, push all that hair back, push the rest forward, and do it again. Same process, same step. And then your last one, just come up to the front and do the front bit as well. Same thing, cross, and you do another one on the side. And that was pretty much it. Real easy, real simple, guys. And there, this is pretty much the haircut, guys. So this is a bit of extra. If you do have a thinning shears or thinning scissors, that you don't need it, but if you have it, it's a bonus just to soften up the sides. So same thing as the clipper over comb, guys. Don't dig in. So watch up, straight up. Whatever hair hangs out, you just boom, hit it. But make sure your comb keeps on moving up. Don't stay on one spot, because the thinning shears will cut the hair. So you just want to kind of snip at it. So tap, tap, up, 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 keep going up, don't stop. And then you do the same thing all around the head. YouTube, check it out. How cute is this boy? Look at him. Honestly, guys, let me know what you think. Let me know if that was easy in the comment section. Please don't forget to subscribe. If you want to share it with your family and friends if they want to give it a go. Good luck. Honestly, it's not hard, guys. Take your time and yeah, stay safe. Blessing. Carlitos.